Oh, good throw, Izzy. Diggy, get it. Get the ball for Izzy. Can you throw the ball, Liz? Good throw. Here, how about that? Get that ball. Diggy, come here. Diggy, come here. Throw it. Where did Diggy go? Oh, good throw. Can you get it again? Diggy, come. Look at Izzy, throw the ball. Throw it. Throw it far. Can you throw it? Oh, good throw. I think you might be stronger with your right hand. You want to throw it again? Oh, good. Can you get it? Can you throw it to Mama? This way. Oh, good throw. Go get it. Oh, Diggy's gonna get it first. Oh, Diggy do. Diggy do. Izzy, can you go get it from Diggy? Diggy, you can't have both balls. Here it is. Can you throw it for Diggy? Can you throw it? Uh-oh. Can you sit up? It's kind of slippery, huh? Can you throw it for Diggy? Good throw. Yay! Izzy, where's the ball? Isabel, can you get it? Here. Here, Izzy. Izzy Biz. Izzy, look it. No, Diggy. Here it is. Can you throw it? Can you throw it? Can you throw it? Big throw. Good throw. You're gonna go get Diggy, aren't you? Diggy do.